I just needed that teacher to say, welcome, come through my class. I will teach you something from wherever you are. I will meet you where you are, and then I will pull you and push you to go further than you could possibly have imagined. Because I can't do this without hope. We must do this with hope. Hope is always going to be on the passenger side while I drive. And as we're hoping, as we're building, as we're restoring humanity together, I want everyone to really think about what it means to be hopeful in times of peril, what it means to be human and actually have that shared humanity, not to rehumanize, because we never lost that humanity that first time. It's just that there are those of us who've decided that there are people who are less human than others. But the folks who have been subjected to that have always seen themselves as human beings and simply want everybody else to be challenged and thoughtful enough to see that humanity and then create policies around that. And I think the classroom is one of the best scenes for us to share that humanity together.